Thanks for watching the training video for the Team Holiday spreadsheet, which is available on excel-macros.com. I'm just going to very quickly run through the functionality of this spreadsheet. So when you open it up, firstly we need to make sure that we've enabled macros. This is standard Excel functionality, so in whatever way you need to ensure macros are enabled, please do so. So for this version we come into Options and then enable this content and click OK. Once you've enabled macros correctly, then you'll immediately see the spreadsheet come to life with a dialog box here called Holiday Type, and this is your main control for the spreadsheet. So the first thing you need to do is to enter the members of your team. So here is where we need to enter this information. So I'm going to create my team now. So I have Ben and Joe and Lucy, and as I add more team members you'll see that new rows get created for each new team member. So I have Phil and I have Liz. So we have 5 team members here. The next thing I need to enter is the amount of holiday that they have for this year. So Ben has 18 days, Joseph has 20 days, Lucy has been with the company a long time and has 25 days, Phil has 20 days, and Liz has 18 days. Okay, so that's all of their names and allocations. What I'm just going to do is Control S to save it. Right, now the next thing I will show you is these 2 columns. These are read-only columns, giving you information about the number of days that your team have taken and the number of days they have remaining till the end of the year. Okay, so let's go ahead and add some holiday. Before we do so, one thing I'll just point out, so the spreadsheet will always default to the current day, just to make it easier to use. You have all of the historic information from previously in the year if we scroll to the right, but just for ease of use purposes it will always default to the current day, so you're always looking forwards. So let's just say, for example, Ben has requested a holiday for next Tuesday. Then what I would do is I would click in the cell for Ben and next Tuesday, and I would click this button here within the holiday type dialog for full day, and you can see that that cell then highlights in red. If he's also requested a half day for the next day, then I can use the half day button and that will highlight in orange. What you'll see as I'm adding these days holiday is that then the days taken column is adding some additional days, and the days left column is reducing the number of days left in his allocation. So as a result of the day and a half's holiday that he's taken, he now has only 16.5 days left of his 18-day allocation. The dialog box also gives you the ability to add public holidays. So let's say the following Monday is a public holiday. What I can do is I can either click in one cell and add the public holiday, or I can drag over all of the team's cells and add it all in one go. So that gives you some flexibility to use the spreadsheet slightly faster. What you'll see with the public holiday is, because it's a public holiday, it's not taking any days off these team members' allocations. If I made a mistake and maybe added these public holidays on the wrong day, then I can highlight them and click the Clear Holidays button, and that will clear the cells that I've created. And maybe then I can re-add them in the following Monday after that. The spreadsheet by default will show you weekends, because some people do work weekends and need that flexibility. But if you're not worried about recording holidays over weekends, then you can use this button, which will then hide all of the weekends from view, which condenses the spreadsheet and makes it slightly easier to use. If you lose the dialog box for whatever reason, you've closed it or you've used the X in the top corner, then you can bring it back by using the Show Options button. That's all there is really to the spreadsheet. It's fairly simple, fairly easy to use. Hopefully it makes your life slightly easier. Once you've done all of your changes, you need to either use Control S like I've just done, or you can go File Save, and then you have all of the changes saved for next time you use it. I hope this information and training presentation has been helpful to you. Please go ahead and download a copy of the spreadsheet from excel-macros.com, and hope you enjoy it. Thank you for listening. Bye bye.